Hi, my name is Cassandra McClure. I am a professional makeup artist, and today we are going to talk about the different types of eyeliner. It's much easier to start with something in a pencil form because it's easier to control, and something along the lines of a liquid is going to dry faster, is not going to smudge as well if you're trying to feather out the look, so it's not as user-friendly. So we're going to use the stick first. When beginning, you'll start in the center of your eye with the pencil using short, light strokes, working your way to the outer edge of your eye, and then following along the top of your lid until you reach almost the inner corner. A little trick is to use the same pencil and go inside of your waterline, this inside of your eye, and just add that pencil in there. And to blend even more, you can go underneath your lash line into the skin in here and get this as well. And that's going to help blend your lash and the line together more nicely. And using a small, thin brush, it makes it a little softer, so it's not such a harsh line. So if you mess up, you can use this almost as an eraser. So that's the first way. The second way is a little bit more advanced, and it's with a felt tip or a liquid eyeliner. And it's pretty easy to do the same exact way. So you'll start in the center and you'll work liner over until the edge of your eye. And be careful not to point the pen down. You start to go down, you'll start to look like your eyes are drooping. You can also do a line here, a line here, and a line here, and then connect them. If you want a more dramatic look, or you're doing something for a costume, you can use this on the underside of your eye as well. And you'll just do the same thing, following your natural waterline. That's where eyeliner was meant to go.